It's no secret the Hispanic population in Utah is growing. And while translators are a big help here, Intermountain Health is hoping to take things maybe a step further, opening a kidney transplant clinic for Spanish-speaking patients.
News specialist Brianna Chavez spoke to one patient who says having that team of physicians who spoke his native language gave him the confidence he needed during his healthcare journey.
I was bleeding and throwing out a lot of blood. They find out I have cirrhosis.
Luis Campos found out his kidneys and liver were failing a few years ago and was scared to get on the organ transplant list. However, he says after lots of prayer, he did. Last year, he was able to get both a new kidney and liver thanks to Intermountain Health.
Todo está funcionando de maravilla.
Luis says his new organs are working well.
Para nosotros los latinos, muchos no hablamos inglés.
He says many of us Latinos don't speak English, and a lot of times there's fear people won't understand us. Something Dr. Alan Contreras, a transplant surgeon at Intermountain Health, understands completely.
When you ask patients about how do you feel about speaking to somebody that understands your language and your culture, or using a translator, I think it's not going to be a surprise that they will pick the first option.
Which is why Intermountain developed a new first-of-its-kind kidney transplant clinic. A majority of the staff, nephrologists, surgeons, social workers, coordinators, nutritionists, and more, all speak Spanish.
You can tell I'm Hispanic, and I used to go to the office and see patients, and sometimes they were just relieved to see somebody that looked more like them, and they know that they could probably express themselves in Spanish.
Dr. Contreras says the goal is to break down cultural barriers and provide services to a community that may not have access to care.
I think having a community of healthcare providers that understand that is very helpful for them to work together to establish their health.
Siento que fue un apoyo bastante grande.
Luis says having a transplant surgeon who was a native Spanish speaker was a big help and gave him the confidence he needed. He's encouraging other Latinos to prioritize their health.
Y no van a ser tratados como la minoría, ¿no?
You won't be treated like a minority, Luis says. They'll treat you like the rest of the world is treated. So far, there are 60 patients within the clinic, and Dr. Contreras anticipates that number will grow as kidney failure is becoming more common. If you'd like to learn more about this clinic, just head over to our website, ksltv.com. In Murray, Brianna Chavez, KSL 5 News.